Hello everyone, this is Shani Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of you our online YouTube class. My dear students, before class we discuss uh, about decimal. So my dear students, I think today last class of that chapter, and today we will discuss about in this session addition of decimal, subtraction of decimal, multiplication and division of decimal. So my dear student, let us start our class for today. So firstly you see what wrote on the board, and that's the first addition of subtraction. My dear students, that's so easy, very easy to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal. Okay, so how to understand about addition, multiplication, division and subtraction of decimal. So firstly, when we have start our class, I want to say about rules of addition of decimal. So what is the rules of addition of decimal? Firstly, questions are given. Then starting when first step of solve the question answer, and that's the first step is convert a like fraction. Like fraction, how to convert a decimal in like fraction. Okay, so if you also see here, that's an example here 188.40, is that clear? And next here 120. So when we have add the number, yeah, subtract, multiplication and divide the number. So firstly convert in like fraction. Like fraction means after digit how many numbers available in points. After points how many digit, it means decimal part how many digit available. So we use, that's the second question, it means that question same condition of decimal part of the number. It means here after decimal 2 points, so you also use the 120.00, it means that's called like fraction. That's called like fraction. Is that clear? So firstly convert on like to like fraction. Then we have a start. If subtractions are given, you also subtract. Multiplication, you also multiply that number. Addition, you also add the number. Okay, so you see here addition of decimals. It means that's the first example on the board. So how to solve that question? What I said before starting the class, that's the first step is convert in like fraction. So firstly you write down the question 167 167.25 167.25. Okay, next here 200. Next here 130.20. Next here 306. So what I say, firstly you convert in decimal in like fraction. When you convert a like fraction, how many largest decimal part? That's a 25. This 2 digit. Here 2 digit. So you also write the 2 digit of number. Then that's number in like fraction, like decimals. Okay, so how to solve it? I think you also know how to add the number. Then you 5 0 0 0, it means right here 5. Next 2 and 2 4, point here also. Okay, next 7 0 0 and 6, 7 and 6 13, 33, carry 1. Is that clear? Next 1 6 7, 7 3 10, 10 0. Next 1 1 1 2 2 4 1 5 5 3 8. That's your number. One time you also see that's a 5 0 5 2 2 4 points point. Okay, 7 6 13 carry 1 1 6 7 7 3 10 0 carry 1 1 1 2 2 4 1 5 and 3 8. That's the addition of decimal. So that's so easy of addition of decimal. You also know how to add the decimal. So firstly you convert in like fraction, then we have start our solution of addition. How to solve the addition? That's the same process is going on with decimal. Okay, if here after 2-digit decimal available, here also 2 digit, here also 2, and here also, so then you also write the answer after 2 digit, use the decimal. That's the answer of your question. Next question also available, so you also write 3.3.60 at 0.40 31.36. Okay, so here 2 digit, here 2 digit, next here 2 digit, and here 2 digit also. Is that clear? That's so easy. It means just like you write here 3.06, 8.40, next here 31.36. So what I say, when you start the solution of question, firstly you convert in like fraction. My dear student, that question also in like fraction, not depend on that number after whole part. After decimal, not depend on whole part. Okay, only depend for decimal part. Okay, so firstly you add the number 6 and 6 12, carry 2, sorry, carry 1, 4, 1 4 5 5 3 8, point here 3 8, 8 3 11, 11 1 12, carry 1, 1 and 3 4. Is that that's your answer. One time you also repeat 6 6 12, carry 1, 1 4 5 5 3 8. Okay, points here 3 8 11 1 12, carry 1, 3 1 and 1 4. That's your answer of addition of decimal. I think all students understand about addition of decimal. That's go on next part of subtraction of decimal. So my dear students, that's the same process going on with decimal part of the subtraction. So what is the rule? That's the first step is converted like fraction. So firstly you see one example of here. So what's your example? Subtract 30.50 from 40.44. My dear students, in add, firstly use that's the second number. After from which number, right? That's the use in first time. Okay, so you write here 40.40, 40.44. Next year 30.50, 30.50. That's so easy when you start the solution of subtraction of decimal. I think all students understand how to subtract the any type of number. Okay, subtraction means minus. Okay, so 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Next is 4. 4 minus 5, not good. So you take 1. Okay, carry. Then you 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here 0, it means 10. And next here left 9. 9 0 9. Point here. And next here 3. Left 3. Okay. Then 3 3 is equal to 0. So that's your answer of subtraction of decimal. Okay. So when which type of question, in that type of question when you solve the first converted decimal like fraction. Next question you also see here, just like 1, that's after from you use first time, it means 188.40. Okay, next year 120, subtract. My dear students, what I say before starting the class, firstly you convert in like fraction. So you see here, is that question in like fraction? No, that's a unlike. In like fraction you convert how many digit of after point, it means decimal part, that's a 1 2 digit. So you convert in that's a 2 digit in like fraction. Then you start a solution of subtraction of decimal. So when you subtract with 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 4 here. Okay, next 8 minus 0 is equal to 8, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and next here 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so that's your question of subtraction of decimal. So my dear student, I hope all students understand about addition and subtraction of decimal. So firstly you write down in your copy. Next we have discussed about the next part. Okay, so my dear student, firstly you complete your that type of exercise. It means if you have any type of publication, any publication of book, then you have use that rules, and after that crack your all type of questions. Okay, it means subtraction of decimal and addition of decimal. That's a in one part video you solve the two exercise of decimal part. So okay, and next day we have discussed about our next part. It means multiplication and division of decimal. So my dear students, you start your solution of that type of question. It means addition of decimal and subtraction of decimal. So my dear student, you stay home, save your life and continue your study. Okay, thank you.